It's Booba.
Oh, hi, Booba. Ooh, what's in the box? How to open it? Hey! Booba, let me see.
Don't look in the box yet.
All right, then give me a clue, Booba. You're hopping like a rabbit. Is it a toy bunny? All right, then I need another clue, Booba. Is it a pair of shoes? I know, that's a pair of trainers, right? I need another clue. Okay, I'm here.
Another clue.
How to... Oh, it wasn't
peeking.
Oh, I know these. You know, I can jump 10 times in a row. Let me just show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm jumping up and down just like a wall. So, first I thought it was a bunny toy because you were hopping like a rabbit. And then I thought it was a pair of trainers because you were playing Keepy Happy. And now I'm jumping just like a ball. Am I right? Yay! Let's see.
Is he right?
Yay! I was right. It's a ball.
Whoa! It really is a ball. Well done. Now you can play with it.
Catch it. Catch it. Wanna be a goalkeeper? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and...
You make a great team. Let's celebrate. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.